Hi, Jeff Spira here, and I just got this movie from Jim Speerstra, who I've been talking with on the phone while he built this Hudson skiff, and really came out nice, and I thought I would like you to see this as well. So let's have a look.
This is a Hudson skiff designed by Jeff Spira at Spira International. I called Jeff a few months ago and told him that I was losing my mind with this COVID thing, and he agreed it would be best for me to go ahead and start the construction on this little guy. So it's taken me 2 or 3 months or more, I guess, to get it all put together. Took me a while to get up the courage, of course. But the good thing about the whole thing is that it's your boat and you can build it however you like. Cut this longer, cut that shorter, make this fit, make that fit. If it doesn't work, you rip it off and start all over again. So this is kind of the final product. I've got a few more things that I need to do. I'm going to keep the anchor mounted up here with a line going down here, and the fighting seat for my bride Candy right here, because she's the good fisherman. And then we put in storage along the sides here and some cleats for the bumpers. I put a seat in the back away from the transom a little bit for me, cut out. I saw some really smart guy cut one out like that, so I cut mine out to see if I could sit sideways to run the tiller. And so this is kind of the final product. Not too much more to go. I think it's going to be fun to stick it in the water. I thank Jeff Spira for his knowledge of boats and everything that goes with it, and his support along the way. If you have questions, I've got 1,000 answers. Maybe Jeff can find time to send you my way if you need help. Watch all the videos that you can watch. That's my biggest suggestion. So I hope you have fun, build a boat. You'll learn a lot. And when you get done, you can take it and go fishing. See you later.
Okay, well that was Jim's boat and his plan and what he's been doing for the last couple of months during the shutdown. So I don't know, did you guys ever build a boat during the shutdown? Good way to spend some extra time. So anyway, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you when the next one comes. Talk to you again soon. Thank you.